I'm here to explain new class 10th maths trigonometry exercise 11.1, the sixth question. So starting with it. In triangle ABC and triangle XYZ, if angle A and angle X are acute angles such that cos A equals to cos X, then show that angle A equals to angle X. Now here in triangle ABC and triangle XYZ, triangle ABC as we can write, and triangle X, Y and C. Now here they are asked to show that angle A equals to angle X, where angle A and angle X are acute angles over here. Angle A and angle X are acute angles. So acute angles are nothing but the angles which are below 90 degrees. So below 90 degrees angles are acute angles, as we have angle A and angle X are acute angles as well. Now show that angle A equals to angle X. To show that corresponding angles are equal, so we have like if corresponding sides are equal, then probably the corresponding angles will also get equal. As to show corresponding sides are equal, we must show that AB by XY, as we can write AB by XY equals to BC by YZ equals to AC by XZ. Now thus here we must prove this to show angle A equals to angle X. Now let's solve the given sum. Solution and given. Hence here given cos A equals to cos X. As here cos A equals to cos X, where cos A equals to, as we have the cos A would be AB by AC equals to the cos X would be XY by XZ, where cos theta the formula of cos theta will be adjacent side by hypotenuse of the given angle. So adjacent to A you have AB and hypotenuse will be AC, and adjacent to X, angle X will be XY and hypotenuse will be XZ. Now hence we have written AB by AC equals to XY by XZ, XY by XZ. Now here they are asked to show that AB by XY equals to BC by YZ equals to AC by ZX. So to show AB by XY equals to AC by XZ, as I can write, when I transpose this AC to the other side, this becomes, the division turns into multiplication, as we can write AB equals to XY into AC by XZ, and when we transpose this XZ to the other side, we get AB into XZ equals to XY into AC. And further when we transpose this XY to the other side, the multiplication turns into division, as we know, as we can write AB by XY equals to, when I transpose this XZ to the other side, this becomes AC by XZ. Thus we got AB by XY equals to AC by XZ. Now hence we got two corresponding sides are equal, like AB by XY equals to AC by XZ. But we must again find BC by YZ. To find BC by YZ, firstly we can consider like AB by AC equals to XY by XZ. So let's consider this whole as AB by AC equals to K and XY by XZ equals to K. And when I transpose AC to the other side, I can write AB equals to AC into K. Can I write like this? And now, so using same application for the XY by XZ equals to K, when I transpose this XZ to the other side, as here, when I transpose this XZ to the other side, you will have XY equals to XZ into K. So now consider this value. So we will be using this later. We will be using to find BC by YZ. So let's consider this values. We will be using this later. So let's write down here like AB equals to AC into K and XY equals to XZ into K. Now here to find BC value and YZ value. To find this, as we can write, firstly let's find BC value by using Pythagoras theorem. By using this Pythagoras theorem, as I can find the BC value, as you have AB square plus BC. Let me write down here like AB square plus BC square equals to AC square, as here you have. And so here I need to find the BC square value, as I can write BC square equals to AC square minus, when I transfer this AB to the AB square to the other side, this becomes minus, the plus turns into minus, as I can write AB square, right? So now when I further simplify it, as we get BC equals to root over, where the square to the other side makes root, as we can write root over AC square minus, as here AB, as look at here, take a look here at once, as AB equals to AC into K, as we can write AB equals to AC square into K square. Done? Into K square. Now when we further solve it, as we can write as BC equals to root over AC square into 1 minus K square. 1 minus K square, where we can solve like AC into 1 gives AC square into 1 gives AC square, and AC square into K square gives what? AC square into K square, where I took AC square as common. So this will be the final value. And now let's find the value of YZ. So to find YZ, as we can write xy square, by using Pythagoras theorem again, xy square plus yz square equals to xz square, where opposite side plus adjacent side gives hypotenuse side. So now here you have yz So here I need to find yz square, the value of yz. To find yz, I can write yz square equals to xz square minus xy square. Then when I transpose the square to the other side, this becomes what? Root, as I can write yz. Okay. As I can write yz root over xz square minus xy square. So as here we also can write ac square minus ab square. Okay, ac square minus ab square. As ac square we can write as ab square. As ab square we can write as ac square into k square, where bc equals to ac square into 1 minus k square. So just I wrote ab square over here. So now as we can write xy square, where yz equals to root over xz square minus, as we can write xy as xz into k, as can I write xz square as, can I write xy square as xz square into k square? Can I write like this? And further simplifying it, I can write xz equals to root over xz square minus, so xz square into 1 minus k square, where xz square into 1 gives xz square, xz square into k square gives xz square into k square, where I took xz square as common. Now, so let's imagine, let's consider this as first equation, and let's consider this as second equation. Okay, from equation 1 and 2, as from equation 1 and 2, okay, so let me, okay, from equation 1 and 2, okay, so from equation 1 and 2 is we can solve it. BC equals to, where BC equals to root over AC square into 1 minus k square by yz equals to root over xz square into 1 minus k square. 1 minus k square. As when we try to solve this given division, we can solve like square and root get cancelled, a square and root get cancelled. 1 minus k and 1 minus k also get cancelled. Now here this remains what? BC by yz equals to AC square by xz square. Now square gets cancelled, as at last this remains what? BC by yz equals to AC by xz. Therefore we got what? BC by yz equals to AC by xz. Therefore here we got AB by xy equals to BC by xz equals to AC by xz. So we hence, as I can write here, therefore angle A equals to angle x. equals to angle x. Hence proved. Okay.